YouTube paid me $35,127.15. It just goes to show that pretty much anything is possible on YouTube if you know what you're doing, now to create a successful channel and grow your own business. So in this video, I'm going to be going over the analytics of some of my YouTube videos and some of the YouTube shorts that I was posting, because I started this channel back in December 1st, 2020. And as you can see, there was no videos here at all. But towards the middle of December, December 16th right there, I was posting anywhere from 3, 5, 4, even 6 and 7 videos a day, 6 and 7 shorts a day. These weren't just your normal videos because there's actually no way for you to make 7 videos a day. But with the short and the short shelf, it is much easier to make 7 pieces of content. Put them out there and make anywhere from $30,000 to $35,000 like I did every single month. Now, I did not manage to get a lot of views, but since this was the beginning of the short shelf, I was able to bring in a ton of money. And so I'm going to explain to you how some of the niches on YouTube will pay you differently and how you can get paid a ton of money for not so much views on YouTube. Because to be honest with you, you don't need to be pulling in millions of views like Mr. Beast on every single video. That guy gets hundreds of millions of views for every single video that he posts. But if you want to know the truth, you're most likely not going to get that many views on your videos. You'll probably end up getting 0, 10, 100, or even 1,000. But don't worry about that, because with a couple of changes, your videos can start pulling in to hundreds of thousands of views. And that's definitely something that you want to see. Because like I said, you don't need to get a million views per video in order to earn this much money from YouTube. Now, there are many people on YouTube saying there's a fall of short form content and that shorts is just not the way to go on YouTube anymore. Because of way too much competitors, the short shelf is full of just spam bot, and it seems like you can't keep up with so many people posting on the short shelf. Well, I'm here to tell you that that's totally wrong, because if you take a look at what I just showed you, it's definitely possible to still grow using YouTube Shorts to your advantage. And as you can see, it says here, Shorts helped your channel get 1.3 times more views in the last 28 days. Views are higher than usual because most people showed interest in your shorts by choosing to watch them when they appeared in your shorts feed. And that's definitely an analytic that you want to look out for. You want people to be swiping you in your shorts and staying hooked into your piece of content. You also want them to subscribe, like the video, and comment down below. Now, if you take a look at our top content in this period, you can see the average view duration for some of them is over 100%. This one is 102%, 114, 132%, 110, 116, 133, and 103%. These are all over 100% average view percentage for every single short that we're posting. And if you look at the views, they're not even pulling in that many views, but still I was able to get paid that much money from not a lot of views. Now, I'm going to be revealing the strategy in this video, so just continue watching, guys. But before that, I just want to go over the fact that this one has 500,000 views with a 100% APV. This one has 230,000 views with 115% as well. So the magic trick and the magic number for you to hit on your short shelf is at least 100% retention. You want people to never swipe off, and you want people to never leave your video. You want them to basically stay on that video for the rest of their lives. Like, you want them glued to the screen. Because once they swipe away, well, your video percentage is going to go down. Less views will happen to your video. And less views equals less money, obviously. Now, even for some of these videos to get a lot of views, this one has 96% retention. That's with 30,000 views as well. Now, you may be asking yourself, well, this one with the least amount of views, 28,000, has 102% retention. So what's the deal here? Well, some videos get more views than others, and there's really no way to explain it because I honestly don't even completely know the algorithm, but I'm still able to do this type of work and bring in this type of money and turn YouTube into a successful business. It just goes to show you that you don't need to know everything on YouTube. You just have to pretty much start and get going with it, because once you get started, the momentum picks up and things start happening for you left and right. Now, you can also see here that this is 2 million views shown in the last 28 days. 2 million more views. It's the green up arrow, so 150% more than the previous 28 days. And that's shown in the feed 2.1 million times. That's the short shelf we're talking about. And this is a 1.6 million views overall. As you can see, you want to get your likes up as well, so be sure to ask people for likes and subscribe. When people like your video, it's a good indication that they're pretty much enjoying what they watched, and it gives you a better idea of what kind of content the audience wants and what people want to see on YouTube. Plus, we also gained 3,000 subscribers, everybody, like I said. And if you look at this right here, how many chose to view? Well, 80% chose to view the video, and 22% basically chose to swipe away. So what I mean by this is that when you're on YouTube, you could either choose to swipe away on the shorts, right? You're on the shorts and you swipe away because you want to watch the next short, or you're staying hooked onto the content. So this 80-20 ratio is pretty good. It's what you want to see happening. And as we can see here, the traffic sources, Shorts feed is 85%, the YouTube search feed, search tab is 12%, channel pages and suggested, all those are pretty much at 0. They're irrelevant. What you want to be is on the shorts feed, so focus on getting your shorts shown up on the shorts feed. Not on YouTube search, not on channel pages, and not on suggested videos, because that would be a waste of your time. You want to be on the shorts feed where everyone's at. And if we click this icon, it says traffic from shorts, vertical viewing experience. Exactly what I explained to you guys. So when you're on the shorts, you don't want people to swipe away like this. That's something that you don't want to see happening. You want them to stay hooked onto your piece of content for as long as possible, at least 100%, because when that happens, you'll start pulling in millions of views, and you can even see the likes on this video, on 1.5 million likes, and I bet this guy has like, what, 70 million views. But because he's posting a video like this, with no subtitles or no anything, and like no sound effects or no music at all, he probably didn't get paid a lot of money from this video. Plus, since this caters to a younger audience, it's probably not a video that's going to pay you a lot of money, especially since he only posted one short on his channel. Now YouTube also shows you what time the viewers are on YouTube first of all. So now YouTube also shows you when your viewers are on YouTube. That's a very important analytic to look at. So for me, many of my viewers are on around 11 a.m. I would say on a Sunday, which is around maybe 11 a.m. Let's see over here, 11 a.m. again. Afternoon times are usually dead. As you can see right here, a few viewers are on YouTube for Monday at 6 o'clock. Even over here, a few viewers on YouTube at 7 p.m. And then very few viewers are on at 9 p.m. So as you can see here, around 8 a.m. to 6 a.m. time frame, or even a 4 a.m. time frame, 3 a.m. Many of you viewers on YouTube, many viewers are on YouTube again. That's the time you want to start posting your videos. You don't want to be posting video on a Tuesday afternoon at 9 p.m. because very few viewers are on YouTube. You want to be posting during the hot periods, the dark purplish darker areas. So Sunday 9 a.m. is the best time to start posting for me. But you'll be able to see this video or see this analytic on your YouTube Creator Studio. So just be sure to look at that, and it will help you out because you definitely want posting at the right time. It's very important. I'd say one of the most important things to a successful short is what time you post it, what day you post it, what time of the month it is, and even what time of the year it is. So you want to be sure to post at a very specific time and be consistent with that time, because my time is very consistent, the way I'm posting and the time I'm posting. So you want to do that for yourself too, if you want to be able to bring in this type of money on you. Now there are several important things that you have to do if you want to create a successful short that pulls in at least 100,000 views. Because if your videos get anything less than 100,000 views on YouTube, well, you're not going to be paid anything, especially if it's 100,000 views on YouTube Shorts. If you're only getting 100,000 views on your shorts, that is definitely not good at all. Because let me tell you something, there are people pulling in hundreds of millions of views every single month from the short shelf. And if your video is only getting 100,000, it just means your content isn't good enough. Number one, here's how you create your piece of content, everybody. First, you want to know what type of content you want to create. Know what type of videos you want to make on YouTube. Whether it be skits, like this person right here, call me Chris. 8.73 million subscribers with only 300 videos. So she's basically going to hit 10 million subscribers probably by the end of this year, especially at the rate she's growing at. Which brings me to my second point. You want to make sure that your titles are very on point when you're creating YouTube Shorts. This one has an emoji as well, blindfolded challenge, guess the burger, funny dog slaps, button with another laughing emoji. So it's a good idea to put emojis in your YouTube Shorts titles because it'll help you get more views. So be sure to subscribe guys if you found this video useful, because I'll definitely be making more videos like this.